That's their TheraFamily that we were talking about. So I use all of them except for the TheraStem.
Remember, biofilm is just the bacteria that talk together and said, okay, let's do a little protection here. A cap.
So this example from today, it shows how important it is to do the things right.
The restoration is going to be larger than that, more than a third to half of the occlusal table of the tooth we're restoring. Then I like to kind of stack the deck in my favor and go with something that's indirect.
It just pays to open your mind to new ideas and new ways of doing things. And that's what I've really based my whole practice on.
I'm looking for products that are faster, easier, and better, not only for me, the doctor, but for the patient as well.